Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall be having a virtual visit to the Electrical Measurement Lab of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic College, Nasik. We will try to understand why this lab is so fundamental in the coursework of Electrical Engineering program, and we will also see the various features and facilities that this lab is equipped with. So dear students, we shall now enter the electrical measurement lab and we shall try to find out why this lab is so important for us as electrical engineering students. So as you can see, this lab that we are entering in is the electrical measurement lab, and this is one of the most important labs because the practicals related to most of the fundamental and basic subjects of electrical engineering are performed in this particular lab. Now electrical measurement is very important because in this lab we perform the various practicals related to measurement of various electrical and electronic parameters such as current, voltage, resistance, power, energy, inductance, capacitance, frequency, etc. So these particular measurements play a very important role in various fields, not just residential or commercial but also industrial fields, and even they find application in medical field, in space engineering, etc. So now we shall try to have a look at what all is present in our electrical measurement lab. So here we have a list of program outcomes that our electrical engineering program complies with. Here we have a board where the layout of the electrical measurement lab is mentioned. List of the practicals is also placed over here. Here we have the vision and mission of the electrical engineering program, which is mentioned on this particular banner. Now this is something very important. These are the laboratory instructions that all students must follow when they are performing any practical in the electrical measurement lab. So you need to be very careful and you must read each and every instruction and follow these instructions very carefully when you are present in the electrical measurement lab. So here this is the rectifier and these are our load banks which we require while performing various measurements. So you can see on these load banks also some meters are embedded. So these meters help us to find out the values of important parameters like voltage and current. Now we have around 5 panels over here. You can see the panels are named in a sequence. So panel 1 to panel number 5. So we have 5 panels over here so that plenty of space is provided and many students can perform practical at a time. So every panel carries all the supply requirements that we require in the electrical engineering. Like you can see that RYB 3-phase supply is available, 440 volt 50 Hz AC supply. Then single phase AC supply is also available, 230 volts 50 Hz AC supply, and even DC supply is available. So on this very panel itself, all the supply provisions that are required as an electrical engineer are provided, and the panel is completely provided or equipped with safety instruments. As you can see, MCBs and fuses are provided. So these panels are completely safe for use, and in event of any hazard, these MCBs will protect you from any sort of damage. So here there are a list of instruments. There are some instruments that we use while performing the practical. So now as electrical engineer, not only electrical engineering but also some other parameters can be measured. For example, this kit over here, this helps us in measuring pressure. So even pressure measurement is done in this particular lab. So here you can see that this is a strain gauge. So here we can measure the strain in the terms of electrical parameter. Here we have a level measuring instrument. So not just electrical parameters but also some physical parameters can be measured in this particular lab. So here you can see these are the 4 cupboards where we have placed all the equipments that we will be using while performing the various practicals. So here all the equipments are placed in a manner that students can access them as and when they require. These 3 kits over here are used for measuring the flow of a liquid. So we make use of water and we try to measure the flow of that particular liquid. So not only electrical parameters like voltage, current, power, energy, but also some physical parameters like pressure, temperature, strain, weight, linear displacement. All these parameters can also be measured in this lab because we have the various kits that will be required for the measurement purpose. Here you can see this is the seating arrangement for the students. So the practicals which are related to the fundamental subjects like fundamentals of electrical engineering, electrical circuits and networks, electrical and electronics measurement, industrial measurements, then basic electrical and electronics engineering, elements of electrical engineering, all these subjects, all these fundamental and important subjects the practicals are performed in this particular lab itself. So that is why this lab, you can say, is one of the most fundamental and one of the most important lab in your coursework of electrical engineering program. So I hope you have found this video useful and you will now be able to understand why this electrical engineering measurement lab is so important and what all practicals you are going to be performing in this lab. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have found the video useful. Do like and share it, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.